Japan's AI-powered human washing machine. The future of hygiene. What if your daily shower wasn't just about getting clean but also about relaxing, rejuvenating, and even improving your mood? Japan has unveiled the Mirai Sentaku K, the world's first AI-powered human washing machine, and it's set to change how we think about personal hygiene forever. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating tech stories. Thanks for watching. How it works. The Mirai Sentaku K may look like a futuristic pod, but it's designed for maximum efficiency and comfort. 1. Step 1. The user enters the capsule and sits in a central chamber. 2. Step 2. The pod partially fills with water, initiating the cleansing process. 3. Step 3. Using 3 micrometer wide air bubbles, high-speed jets scrub the skin at a microscopic level, removing dirt and grime far more effectively than traditional methods. This microbubble technology, already used in industrial cleaning applications, is adapted here for personal hygiene, ensuring a deep and thorough cleanse without harsh chemicals. AI-driven personalization. What truly sets this device apart is its AI-driven customization. Sensors embedded in the capsule monitor vital signs such as heart rate, temperature, and stress levels. 1. If the user appears stressed, the system projects calming visuals and sounds, creating a serene environment. 2. For more energetic users, it adjusts with stimulating settings to match their mood. The AI also fine-tunes the water temperature and sensory experience to provide a tailored bathing session. It's not just a wash, it's a wellness experience. Historical context. The concept of a human washing machine isn't entirely new. It dates back to the 1970 Osaka World Expo, where the ultrasonic bath was introduced by Sanyo Electric Company, now part of Panasonic. That early prototype used ultrasonic waves to clean the body but never gained mainstream popularity. Inspired by this invention, Science Company, chairman, Yasuaki Aoyama, has modernized the concept using today's cutting-edge technology. For Aoyama, this isn't just a homage to the past, it's a bold step into the future. Benefits. The Mirai Sentaku K offers numerous advantages. 1. Unparalleled cleaning. Its microbubble technology cleans at a microscopic level, far beyond traditional showers or baths. 2. Time efficiency. A complete wash and dry process in just 15 minutes, ideal for busy individuals. 3. Mental wellness. By addressing emotional states, the pod doubles as a stress relief tool. 4. Accessibility. Perfect for individuals with mobility challenges, offering a hands-free and comfortable alternative. Challenges. Despite its promise, the device faces several challenges. 1. Development stage. The prototype is only 70% complete, with refinements still underway. 2. Cost. Initial versions are expected to be expensive, raising concerns about affordability. 3. Privacy. With AI monitoring biometric data, questions about data security and ethical implications need to be addressed. Future possibilities. The Mirai Sentaku K is scheduled to debut at Expo 2025 in Osaka, where 1,000 attendees will get to try it firsthand. Looking ahead, Science Company plans to launch a home version, aiming to bring this futuristic hygiene solution to households worldwide. There's even potential for integrating health monitoring features, turning the pod into a comprehensive wellness hub. Imagine a future where your daily hygiene routine doubles as a health checkup. Global impact. This innovation could inspire similar developments across the globe, especially in tech-forward regions like South Korea and Europe. As AI and microbubble technology become more accessible, we may witness a global shift in how personal hygiene and wellness are approached, transforming mundane routines into tailored experiences. Closing thoughts. The Mirai Sentaku K represents a significant milestone in personal care and technology. Whether it becomes a luxury item for the elite or a household staple remains to be seen. What's clear is its potential to redefine hygiene, blending convenience, precision, and relaxation. Would you step into this AI-powered pod for a futuristic bath, or does the idea of being washed by a machine make you hesitant? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Right finger. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating tech stories. Thanks for watching.